Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
Ready to cook smarter, faster, and tastier in 2025? Electric pressure cookers have transformed home kitchens with time-saving convenience and delicious, foolproof meals. Whether you're a busy parent, a beginner in the kitchen, or a meal prep master, these devices do it all. Pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, and more. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 best electric pressure cookers in 2025 that are dominating Amazon and making dinner a breeze. If you want flavor-packed meals with minimal effort, you'll definitely want to stick around. Let's dive in. Number 1. Midea 12-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. Meet the Midea 12-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, your all-in-one kitchen hero for 2025. With 12 smart cooking presets, this 6-quart powerhouse replaces your rice cooker, steamer, slow cooker, yogurt maker, and more. Whether you're craving hearty stews, fluffy rice, or homemade yogurt, it delivers perfect results every time. Its sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen. For effortless, flavorful meals at the push of a button, the Midea 12-in-1 is a game-changer. Number 2. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker with Wi-Fi. Say hello to the future of smart cooking with the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker, a Wi-Fi connected 10-in-1 multi-cooker that does more than just cook. With a built-in scale, automatic pressure release, and access to 500+ guided recipes, this 6-quart kitchen genius makes every meal easier and tastier. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned foodie, the Chef IQ takes out the guesswork and adds convenience. From rice to roasts, it's your ultimate tool for smart, stress-free meals. Welcome to next-level cooking. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker. Meet the legendary Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 multi-cooker, the all-in-one kitchen solution trusted by millions. With 9 smart cooking functions like pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, and even sterilize, it simplifies every meal. The 6-quart stainless steel design is perfect for families, and the free app gives you access to 800+ guided recipes right at your fingertips. Whether you're meal prepping or making dinner on the fly, the Duo Plus makes it fast and foolproof. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience. Number 4. 6-quart Whisper, Quiet, 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Instant Pot 6-quart Whisper, Quiet, 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The perfect blend of power, silence, and versatility. Whether you're pressure cooking, steaming rice, sautéing, or making yogurt, this multitasker handles it all with whisper-quiet performance. Its sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch, while the free app unlocks 800+ step-by-step recipes to keep meals exciting. Ideal for families and food lovers who want fast, flavorful results without the noise. Number 5. Crock-Pot 6-quart Cook and Carry Programmable Slow Cooker. Craving delicious meals without the fuss? Meet the Crock-Pot 6-quart Cook and Carry Programmable Slow Cooker, CPS CVC 60LL-S, designed to make meal prep effortless. Its generous 6-quart capacity is perfect for big families or batch cooking, and the programmable digital timer means dinner is on your schedule. Durable stainless steel housing, plus the secure carry lid, make it ideal for potlucks, travel, or everyday use. Just set it, forget it, and come back to hot, flavorful food. No babysitting required. If you want simplicity, reliability, and consistently great meals, this slow cooker is the hands-free cooking essential.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.